Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to make our cute bunny with glasses. If you open up your kit, get everything out, take a look, you'll see all of your supplies. When we packed up these kits, we actually combined the pink rocks for the ears along with all the decorations for the eggs. Some of the kits will have some black paint in them in a pouch. We realized you need a tiny touch of black paint, so we actually ask that the ones that don't have a pouch, if you can just use the little strip of pots, that little paint, the black on the end for the bunny's mouth, that is the perfect amount. Start with snipping the corner off of your yellow paint, and then you're gonna take it and cover your whole background yellow. I went ahead and squeezed all the paints out onto the plate at one time. Give it a quick dry with a hair dryer until it feels like it's not sticky and you can tell it's not glossy. You're gonna find your bunny template and your piece of chalk. If you don't have a piece of chalk, sorry, a pencil works great as well. Give it an outline. We usually use chalk for the darker canvases, but with this light yellow, a pencil might actually work a little bit better. So outline your whole bunny until you can just see your parameters of where you need to paint. And then you want to just make sure your lines are clean, and then you're going to give it a nice full white coat of paint. You can give it a quick dry if you want your paint to be a thicker coat or brighter. If a little yellow is showing underneath, just quickly dry it so you can give it a second coat. Remember, we're going to be gluing stuff all on top of this, so if it's not perfect, don't worry. I re-wet the ears with white so that I can just grab a tiny bit of pink. And the pink is pretty dark, so you just need a little dab to mix with that white and make them a nice light shade. Gonna give it a quick dry before I add the glue. Grab your container of glue, and you're gonna wanna clean your paintbrush before you do this. Just use your paintbrush to add a thick coat of glue. We wanna make sure that all of your rocks stick. I left a little circle where we're gonna put the nose and the mouth. I want that to go directly onto the paint. So this is where we're gonna put our rock eyes and then all of the white and clear rocks that you have. In your bag, you'll find your eyes and your nose. Just set them a good position. You can put them close together, further apart. Further apart works better because once we add the glasses, you want to be able to see the eyes really well. Now just go ahead and fill in your bunny's face and body. Give it a press down, and then you can just lift it to shake off any extra. We're adding a little bit of glue inside the ears. And these pinks are going to be mixed in with your other bag, so just pick out which colors you want to put inside the ears to decorate. Give a dab of glue to the back of the nose. Glue it in place. And then use the back of your paintbrush to make the little mouth, and then clean it off and use it to dab the white on the eyes. I gave you 3 templates for eggs. You can just use one and trace it. If you have a younger crowd, they might want to decorate the eggs separately, whether it's painting or even gluing stuff on them, and then you can glue that decorated egg onto the canvas. I'll show you that in a minute. If you wanted to just trace it with chalk or a pencil, and then just paint, decorate however you want. just gonna show you just a little alternative. I just glued the template directly to the canvas. I covered the whole thing in glue. Now we're just gonna fill it up with lots of goodies. This just showing if you have a pencil to trace, the lines will show up a little bit better. Just paint it any way you want. Just dried that one a little bit so that my colors will be a bit brighter and they won't blend whenever you paint them on top. Also, to go ahead and, my next step, I'm gonna put a dab of glue on to just start, have a mix of paint and glue glued on items on this egg. My last step is the glasses. Grab your paintbrush and give it a big glob of glue right at the top of his brow. I decided to spread the eyes out a little bit further so that they fit better in the glasses. Just give a nice big thick line. All that glasses need is just at least one spot that they'll actually be touching glue on top of the rocks to stick. So cute. I hope you guys had fun making your bunnies.